मूड तो है, मूड है। अब्दुल्ला में
Excuse me, mister. Where are we and what's happening?
Sir, we are going to the starting stables. It is the 6th race of the day. One of our fillies is racing. It is her debutante
What's her name?
coming in. The name is Chasing Eden. She was just named last week. So it is going to be her debut run. Let's see what happens. We're trying to, let's say, maybe we get a first run, first victory. But obviously that's less likely. However, let's go to the saddling stables and see what's up.
Oh, we also got some fans. Pushing through. Assalamu alaikum sir, कैसे हैं? Assalamu alaikum, क्या हाल है?
ये नंबर 1 फैरियर है पाकिस्तान में। हमारे सारे शूज़ यही लगा रहे हैं सबके बल्कि पाकिस्तान में। And unless some people import them from Argentina, they're farriers for the season. But locally, he's one of the best and the biggest.
I'm learning with you guys, as you can see. We call this the saddling stable.
Saddling stable. यहाँ पे घोड़ी तैयार होती है। जॉकीज में पसंद पहने में, as you can see. और इधर है हमारी घोड़ी, इसकी घोड़ी लगेगी।
जुनेद भाई को भी होना चाहिए था, हम उन्हें घोड़ी तैयार करना सिखाते।
वो 13 नंबर में लगी हुई है। ये है इमरानी and Lachi. Lachi is the prime caretaker, and then Imrani is on the other horse, so he's also
Hello.
prime caretaker. First run, mashallah, she's ready. You can see the muscle separation and everything. तो
Muscle separation दिखाएं?
so मेरी नहीं घोड़ी की है। मेरी भी है, but it's too cold to show it right now.
What is this HW?
HW means Hassan Manai. This is actually the branding of the breeder. 23 means she was born in the year 23.
Okay.
And 46 is the internal numbering and what year, what order she was born in.
Okay.
Amongst her siblings in arms.
How are you? That's a good. How are you guys? In case you were wondering.
The ears are the antennas of the horse. If they are going from side to side, it means she's attentive. If they're front, like this tarah, she's relaxed. And this also shows she's a brave horse. The moment that you hold up the camera up to her, but her ears stayed still, that means she's a calm, well-behaved horse. If you were to pull in and she were to pull her ears back, it would mean she's an aggressive, hostile woman and let's say a mistress.
That was my question. कि फिर आखिर किसकी horse है?
मेरे calm and gentlemanly. But I can tame either way.
We're gonna have a BTS of the BTS. So we have something over there. What did you call it?
Zan bhai earlier ना मेरे से पूछ रहे थे कि how the gear makes a difference, right? So ये जो आप देख रहे हैं डंडा बिट है. This is a normal, not a normal bit. There's a very casual, ordinary one. This is a डंडा bit. डंडा bit basically means ये जो घोड़ा steering नहीं करता left to right, उसमें ये ज़्यादा steering होता है. So ये power steering है.
Okay.
A lot of horses will not be wearing this if they're more disciplined, but ये भी नहीं है, बच्ची है तो उसको डंडा bit लगाते हैं ताकि the control is way more than you get from a normal bit. Secondly, जो पूरा system है इसको हम local language.
What brand is this? Can you repeat the brand?
No, the brand is this is not the not branded necessarily. We got this like personally 101 में आप कहीं भी ले सकते हैं different brands की. But this is the form what is called the danda bit. उसको English में क्या कहते हैं? English something bit कहते हैं, but I'll confirm that later. The shoes that she's wearing that actually belong to Perfect. So as you can see the double clip in the
Hey
front.
babe, show me your shoes.
And the double clip in the oh she did actually. That is amazing.
I have this on camera.
She's
This
so
is the hook.
well behaved. So well behaved.
Arre.
So she's wearing that.
Impressed by your training.
ट्रेनिंग एंड वेल डिसिप्लिन हॉर्स। तो नहीं इस इलाची की मेहनत है। सो बेसिकली सही इसको कहा जाता है घोड़े की माँ, बिकॉज जो भी है सोना उठना जागना उसका जो है वो इनके साथ होता है। तो शी मेक श्योर कि जो है शी स्टेज।
You're a very nice girl.
And he was also the by the way the same one on Prodigal Rain, one of our classic winners. तो लाची is quite a hard worker in that term. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग। बाय द वे अभी दिखाएं मुझे, मैं ये बताऊं कि देखिए रेसिंग सिल्क्स होते हैं जिससे पता लगता है घोड़े से। आपने खुद रेसिंग सिल्क्स पहने हुए हैं।
Yeah, because this is the color Z.
Z
This is red. For people who know, memorial ki videos, the race videos, wherever you see Z, the racing color, it's gonna be red. White and red. So here we have some of our equipment and the Z color.
Yamar bhai hai, the champion jockey of Pakistan, the unbeatable streak of derby wins. इनका बेटा ride कर रहा है. So he's
What's his name?
the most proliferate and the most derby winning jockey of Pakistan. आमिर परवेज ही है.
Hello Mr. Amir. क्या हाल है? कैसे हैं आप?
बिगेस्ट चैम्प पाकिस्तान रेसिंग हैज एवर सीन. इनका बेटा राइड कर रहा है. ये आमिर परवेज है. इनकी डर्बी स्ट्रीक ऐसी है कि मेरा नहीं ख्याल पाकिस्तान में टूटेगी. और हर साल एक ऐड कर लेते हैं. इस साल भी कहीं ऐड ना कर ले. इनको हर साल एक किस्म की कहते हैं रिटायरमेंट में जा रहे हैं, फिर जाते ही नहीं है. और यंग बच्चों को जो है वो डराया हुआ इन्होंने. तो खैर माशाल्लाह इनका बेटा राइड कर रहा है.
माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह.
ये डबल होने लगी फिर आप. अल्लाह खैर करेगा. So Abdullah is riding today, as we already introduced Amir भाई, the best jockey. अभी आजकल जो है ना अब्दुल्ला जो है अपने राइड आउट से जो है ना सबको डरा के रखा हुआ है इन्होंने. तो अगर ये इसका स्ट्राइकिंग रेंज में आ जाए तो राइड आउट से ना ये माशाल्लाह जीत जाते हैं. लास्ट संडे इन्होंने इस तरह की एक राइड आउट की थी. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल वीडियो. मतलब वो एक होता है ना वर्क ऑफ आर्ट जिसको कहते हैं. आजकल माशाल्लाह इज इन फॉर्म एंड एवरीथिंग. और तो वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट जॉकीज व्हेन इट कम्स टू राइडिंग. तो आज का डेब्यू है, लेकिन आज वी होप कि हम आज फर्स्ट विन वाला काम करें
इंशाल्लाह.
तो होपफुली
Nothing is
गोड़ी
impossible.
माशाल्लाह रेडी है. ऐसे 2-4 गेट देखे हुए हैं. तो लेट्स सी व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. आज पैडक में चलते हैं. वी गो टुवर्ड्स द पैडक नाउ सो द ऑडियंस कैन हैव अ लुक एट द हॉर्सेस. कीप अ सेफ डिस्टेंस.
Yeah.
तो अभी हम पैडक की तरफ चलते हैं.
We don't want to get kicked.
नीचे जस्ट वॉच नीचे थोड़ा.
Yep. Oh.
So riders are exported from Pakistan. So they go, obviously initially they go as to train the horses, but some of them become good enough to start riding in the UK, because UK is obviously the capital of horse racing in the world. So most of whatever.
So do we have Pakistani riders in the UK right now?
Yeah, we absolutely do. Most of them are, like I said, training riders. They train in the morning, but some of them obviously get promoted to start riding in some of the races as well. So, but obviously they're talented enough to be considered for this, and there's obviously a shortage of such talent. So, and then it is a very daring thing to do. So, Desis are always a par ahead from the English
Yes,
people for this kind of risk taking. So.
Hamisha. Real men take risks.
This is the owner's paddock. सारी घोड़ी rounds ले रहे हैं. हमारी घोड़ी का नंबर क्या है?
8.
नहीं हमारी घोड़ी का 8 ही है. Just Sweden is 8.
Same to you.
Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
वो जा रही है 8 नंबर.
इनकी कौन सी नंबर है?
इनकी है, शी इज प्रॉब्ली गोना बी द फेवरेट. इनकी है माया 3 नंबर.
Okay.
हाँ जी, मतलब एकदम से चलाना. जब मार के ना मतलब के पैर आने तो चारों जमीन पे. जैसे ही चारों जमीन पे आता है फिर पूरी ब्लो आउट अगर नहीं करते तो अपने हाथ तक एंड भाग चलाओ. अगर खुदा ना खास्ता आपको लगता है बहुत ही थक गई है तो फिर ठीक है, सारी बात है.
For us, what is ride out and what is blowout?
Sir, ji, blowout means that she got tired, she got gassed, and ride out means that he's using his hands to push the horse along. ठीक है, that's what the ride out means. So we are saying do not stop the ride out until she blows out. ठीक है. डन है। कार से जाओ, गुड लक इंशाल्लाह। मेरा ख्याल है वी कैन डू इट। आप बाकी हौसले से जाओ पूरा confidence से। Dan bhai, so this is your visit after such a long time, maybe after 2 years, almost 3 years maybe even.
Lots of nostalgia because the last time I was here I was shooting the
You
memorial.
were documenting and directing everything.
उससे पहले जब मैं था तब भी memorial कर रहा था, but that was a year earlier.
Yeah. So now this time around, a lot of things have changed. Again, we're having good weather today. So this is the last race of the day. One of our horses is basically debuting. So let's see what it looks like. Instructions हमने दे दिए jockey को.
Instructions people saw.
Yeah.
And there was a lot to learn.
Yeah.
हाँ जी.
So जी, horse racing is a sport of dreamers. So just chasing Eden is coming back from her run. It was not what we expected. It was not that exciting. I think because of the long wait inside the racing gate, which was because of another horse, she got a little unsettled. Anxiety is a hot-blooded horse's trait. कि वो anxious हो जाते हैं, परेशान हो जाते हैं. She was in the gates for a good 25-30 minutes. She was inside the gate for 25-30 minutes, which kind of caused a lot of anxiety, what we suspect. So when she jumped out of the gate, so she did not really race with a lot of settlement, because that is actually a very good quality she has. And when we say settled racing, it means कि आराम से humble से पैर डाल के अच्छी jogging, अच्छी galloping करना. But when she came out, she was like all over the place a little bit. So first outing, that's perfectly fine, that is expected. She's naive, she's only a 2-year-old baby right now, so she has a long way to go. But for first outing, maybe I was too optimistic because the trainer thought it would be really well. अगर मेरा यहाँ पे एक rule of thumb है, when the trainer says she's ready, she is 6 weeks from ready. तो मैंने अब ये rule of thumb रखा है. आज मैंने उसी को खुद जो है belief system को थोड़ा abandon किया trainer के कहने पे, and it's exactly what happened. Anyway, we're in our racing stable by the way. So that's my father's name, of course. This is the resident cat by the way.
अच्छा, क्या नाम है इसका?
Born and lived here, so.
क्या नाम है इसका?
जिससे नाम रखा नहीं, मगर since you asked, let's just name it Shitara. So.
Shitara. I wonder why her name is Shitara.
ये आ गया दूसरा घोड़ा. इसके पीछे ट्रीटमेंट चल रही है.
क्या नाम है इसका?
इसका नाम है विदाउट डिलीवरेंस.